This is a quick and dirty unboxing of the PeriPage A40. You might already tell, but I've already opened this once. And I've even used it for a semester. It was pretty useful. It prints. It's a printer. It's a thermal printer. It's a pain to get out of the box. The paper is in here. And it works like any other thermal printer. It's basically a thick receipt. Very wide receipt. Anyways, that is the entire unboxing. I don't know what you expected. Now this will get recycled, I think. Oh yeah, the back of the box is blank, like this. This is PeriPage mini printer. Mine was imported by Jaden's. It has a sticker under here. I wonder what that is. I bought it off Amazon. There's the Amazon sticker. Let's figure out what that is, actually. I'm curious. I can't get it off. Or at least I struggle to. This is the least satisfying sticker removal ever. Like, seriously. Oh my god, they have a WeChat barcode. WeChat. That is the best that I could do. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much the same info, but like with all of PeriPage's stuff on it instead of the importer. If you want to know what's under here, or and that is the best that I can do. I'm throwing this out now. Thank you. Well, okay, recycling it, not throwing it out. But yeah, hopefully that can like focus better. So what if I need this info? There we go. It is focused. I don't know what microphone this is using, so just kind of speaking into the void. Anyways, that was an unboxing of this thing. It's a printer. I don't know what you expected. Goodbye.